Hey shoppers, we have a bike mount, cell phone mount, which is nice. I'm so excited about this because you can set it right in front of you on your handlebars and you can watch your phone. So say you have a GPS and you're going somewhere, say you're listening to music or you're actually on the phone, you can mount it right in front of you. This is where your cell phone sits. Back here is where you set up the attachments to mount it to your bike. And it comes with the tools necessary. All right, let's go mount it on our bike and show you what it looks like all set up. All right, we have our cell phone holder mounted onto our bike right here. Very easy to install. You just attach the silicone rings to size the pole and you simply slip your phone in and out. It locks in right here and it adjusts. So if you have a bigger iPhone or Android, you can make it larger or smaller. You want to make sure you click this button here so it fits nicely and tight. I can pull up my GPS and now I can do some exercise.